This video will cover how to replace a WeatherGuard Defender Series lock. Step 1 is to remove the lock retaining clip. Step 2 is to remove the lock from the hole while holding the button pushed in. Step 3 is to install the new lock. While holding the button pushed in, fit the lock through the hole, then reattach the metal bracket. Step 4 is to test the newly installed lock to make sure it functions properly. If you have any questions, contact customer service at 888-523-3370 or visit weatherguard.com.